Hey everybody, Wednesday. Gonna do some Uber. 1.4, that's pretty decent. And after I accepted my first delivery, somebody from Uber called me and was like, "Are you gonna deliver that food?" And I was kind of confused. But I don't know, it was worth $24 just for that one delivery. So maybe that's why? I don't know what the deal was with that. But yeah, anyways, just delivering some food, enjoying the views when I can. And only stayed online for like an hour because the boost goes down to like 1.1. And I don't know, why not just wait until the boost is higher again? So I made like $65 for that hour and a half. That's pretty good. You know, mostly thanks to that $24 delivery. But on my way home, I rode over a screw and it went right through my tire. That's kind of shit. But it is Wednesday, so bike repair class. I'll repair it at the repair class. That's kind of the whole deal. Is like, yeah. But I'm trying to get an inner tube, and I went to the bike joint, and they were closed. And they might be closed permanently. So yeah, just got an inner tube from the other store that's like kind of near my house. It was $10, so not crazy or anything, but kind of wish I didn't have to spend that $10. Anyways, probably bought some cheese or something, and now I'm carrying my bike over to the class. Luckily, it's not too far. It's not really a big deal, but kind of a pain. And started off cleaning out the bike. And teacher just kind of got a neat way of like taking off the tire, so it's kind of neat to see him do it. Cause my tire is not like super tight on my wheel, but if it is, it's like good method. When I tried to inflate my new tube, it exploded. I think the tube got like between the tread and the rim and like popped, and my old tube, the puncture was too severe to patch. But luckily, they had a spare tube that they just gave me, so that was nice.